how to convert a 35mm film from a negative to a digital color photograph using Snapseed. So this is a quick way to do it. And we want a blank screen, LCD screen on your monitor. If you don't have that, just another light source. And I got some tape. This is going to be a fast, raw way of doing it. Then we're going to jump into Snapseed. But first, let's tape our negative to the light source, which happens to be just my monitor, so it's flat. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we want to open up our camera app on our phone. This is Android, and we want to get up close and we want to take a picture of it. Okay, so I'm gonna get it close and then just do the best you can to get it as best as you can right there. So okay, so we took our photograph. All right, so let's jump into the Snapseed app, and this is, by the way, this is all going to be for free. So let's jump into Snapseed. We are now in Snapseed, and the first thing we want to do is we want to add our photo. Okay, so we're going to go and let's get our photograph. So here it is. We're just going to check it and then say done, and then that's going to bring it into working space. Okay, so when you first launch Snapseed, it's going to tell you little steps that you can take, but we don't need to do that, so we're just going to skip through a lot of these. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I want to crop our image so that we get it to the proper size. So in Snapseed, we're just going to do the crop tool right here, and then we're just going to resize it by just touching the top or the bottom while it's in crop mode, or we can use some of these, but I'm just going to do it manually. So let's do that right now. So let's bring this down manually to fit our photograph so we have it right. Okay, so that's the top, that's the bottom. Then we just want to adjust the sides here like that, just so we have our photograph right there. Okay, once we're happy with our crop, let's go ahead and hit that check mark. Okay, so now we have a working project here. Okay, so the next step is to bring it into where we're going to get our tools so we can start making the adjustments to bring this negative into a positive. So let's do that right now. Let's go into the tools. Okay, so we can see that we have quite a bunch of tools, but the ones we are interested in is right here. Let me bring it in close so you can see it. We're interested in the curves. Okay, so here we are. There are the curves. Okay, so now that we have our curves, we can do a full, which is going to be all the colors, but we want to concentrate on having separate colors. So what we want to do is we're going to tap on this red. That's going to bring up our red. First thing we want to do is we're going to take our finger and we're going to bring this curve, and we're going to actually invert this. So we're going to make it opposite. Okay, so we're going to bring this down, and then we're going to take this one and we're going to bring it up. So we're just reversing that part. Okay, and then we're going to bring it down like that. Okay, very simple. So you just reversed it. Now let's go and do the green. So green is going to be the same thing. Now this green, I'm going to tap and hold and bring down our green towards the bottom. Then we're going to take this end and we're going to bring it up. And you can see that you're starting to see the picture starting to appear, but we still got one more. So let's do the blue. So blue, same thing. Going to bring it down. Okay, same thing again. We're going to bring it up. And now you can see that our photograph is come through life right there. Okay, so we can keep it as that, or we can just keep adjusting it. This is just a fast and easy way to do it. Obviously, you can keep tweaking and make it better, have more colors pop out. But essentially, that's how you can bring your positive into the negative. And you can continue to adjust and customize it and make it look even better than this. But there you go. There's your photograph has been converted from this into this. All right. Hope you enjoyed it.